Welcome, students. Today we are going to learn practical number 8. So, this is your question. Hashtag include IOST using namespace std, class demo, private int x. I'm creating a class called demo. In that, x is my private variable and which can be used only inside the class. Then we have public demo int x. This x is equal to x. Now, over here, demo int x is in a constructor which runs when the object is being created. Next, I have int x. Int x is a parameter which is passed to the constructor. Next, we have this, which is raised to x, which refers to a class variable. So, x over here is which refers to the parameter. So, inline in get square, return x multiplied by x, friend void display demo d. Now, here, what are we doing is, we have already created regarding the demo, that is my constructor. Inline is basically, it suggests my compiler to make the function pass get square, which returns the square of x multiplied by x, which multiplies the x with itself. For example, if I talk about if x is equal to 4. So, if I multiply 4 multiplied by 4, it gives me answer as 16. So, which returns. Next, I mentioned friend void. It makes a display a friend of class demo. Friend is what? It is my function which can access by the private variable. Like outside function cannot access x, but with friend it can access x. Void display demo d count value d dot x and l. Here display is which is defined as the outside class. Demo d which receives the object has parameter, and you know what a scout is, right? D dot x is basically which access the private variable which allowed because of the friend. Int main demo object or display object count square object dot get square return 0. So this is the output. Values for square is 16. So here the object has been created with a value 4, where the friend function returns the value 4. The inline function calculates and print the square of 4, which is 16. That's it. I hope you all have understood. If there is any doubts related to the topic, you all can drop a comment. Thank you.